Hello everyone and welcome back. In this video I'm going to explain how we can pass a variables or pass values between the screens, between two screens. So for example, here in the first screen I can write, for example, Osama or anything, and then go to the second screen and display Osama in the second screen. So now here I need to pass the value. The simplest way to do that is to pass the value through the constructor. What I mean by that? First thing, I have here text form field in the first screen. I have text form field, so I need to write anything inside it. So how can I access it? So here we need controller. So the controller we need just to, there I can say final, name it like txt, final because we have here stateless widget, not stateful, so it should not change. So txt equal edit, text editing controller. That's it. And text editing controller, we will add it here in the text form controller and add txt. So now we can access anything user write here by using txt.text because there's a controller, so we can control the text form. So what can I do here? I need to send anything user write here to the second screen. So where here in the on press we use navigator push and then go to the second screen, right? So we need to pass the value here. So we can say here txt.text here in the second screen, because here txt.text, which means the text field. This is the text field, text form field. So anything user write it will be text.txt. But the problem here, this is the second screen, this is the constructor here. And in the second screen constructor, there is nothing, there is no variables, so no parameters. So we need to go to the second screen and add up a constructor for the second screen. So here in the second screen, we can add a constructor. So first thing, you can say final, like result or anything. For example, you can make a string called result, right? And then add this to the constructor. So the constructor like this, second, you should use the same name of the screen, and here you can make it optional parameter, but you should use required because you should add the result here for nullability. So require what? Here this dot result. So now perfect. Now we can add in the constructor for the second screen, we can add something which is the result here. So now here I can add result equal what? Equal txt dot text. That's it. So now I can add the text. Now anything user write it here will be in the second screen constructor, and then instead of Osama here I will say just result, variable $sign result. So anything inside result here will be here. Now if I try that, run, I will write something here, for example hello like Ahmed, then show result. You can see here hello Ahmed in the second screen. Why? Because I write here hello Ahmed, I write it here in the text form field, and we have controller called txt. Now I send it with the navigator to the second screen constructor txt.text. So hello Ahmed will be in the second screen. In the second screen we already have created constructor, so we can send something and say the result will be here. So the result will come from the first screen and just display it here simply. So that's the best way or easiest way or the basic way to pass a variables or pass a state between two screens. Hope you understand that, and thank you very much.